guys, welcome back to another video. Today we turned ourselves into half an alien, kinda. My thought process here was that an alien was in a person and was like coming out. If that makes any sense. Alright, so we're starting this video off by dancing, like always, and then I'm just going to go on in and prime my entire face. I'm just using a pore refining primer. Well, actually, first I'm making sure my lighting is okay because in my Ice Queen video, I don't know what was going on with my lighting, but it was very out of whack. Once you're done priming, you have to decide what side of your face you want your alien to come out on. So I'm trying to decide which eyebrow I want to cover, and then you want to go ahead and cover your eyebrow. The more you practice this, the better you'll get at it, because I still kind of suck at it, but it's getting better every time I try it. Covering your eyebrow takes quite a bit of time, so I just have down a layer of glue on that eyebrow, and now I'm going in with a green multi-stick from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to map out where my alien is going to be. Like I said, covering your eyebrow takes quite a bit of time, so I just keep on adding a new layer of glue whenever my previous one is dried. And while it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and put foundation on the normal side of my face. If you don't know how to cover your eyebrows, there's literally a million different videos on YouTube showing you how. In between my glue layers drying, I'm just working on other parts of my face. So while this layer is going to dry, I'm going to go ahead and put concealer under my normal side of my face, under that eye. I'm also going to go ahead and do a little bit of cream contouring on the normal side of my face. Also, I totally just realized that I'm being nasty and I'm licking my finger to thin out the edge of that glue. You can use water. Not gonna lie, I watched a Jordan Hans video and she used her spit, so it's a little disgusting, but it's okay. Blend out your contour. After setting your face down with powder, I'm just going to go in with a regular powder contour, bronze up my face a little bit, and I'm also going to add some blush and highlight. Continuing on the normal side of our face, I'm now going to go ahead and do my eyebrow like I normally would. I'm actually doing it a little bit darker than normal, but whatever. Fill in your eyebrow if you want to. For the normal side of our face, I'm just going to do a quick cool tone smoky eye. You can do no face makeup, you can do no eye makeup, you can just do mascara, or you can go full glam. It does not matter. I just wanted to go ahead and throw on a normal eyeshadow look and then finish it out with some winged eyeliner and mascara. Now that the normal side of our face is done and my eyebrow is dry, I'm going to go in with a super full coverage concealer and pounce that out mainly over my eyebrow, but kind of blending it down just a little bit. After that, you want to pack on a lot of powder just to fully set that. I am actually going to go in with a little bit of the same foundation on the other side of my face and fill in right where we're putting our alien. I'm only doing this because I feel like water activated body paints, which is what we're using, blend out a little bit better over foundation. So now we're moving on to actually painting our alien. I'm just going in with a Mehron water activated body paint in green, and just color your face green. You can do this with that green cream stick I had earlier to map it out, or eyeshadows, or whatever you want to use. Now I'm going in with a black body paint and a smaller brush. You can use liquid eyeliner for this if you want it to, but I'm just going to map out my alien eye. I'm starting it pretty small, and then I gradually make it a little bit bigger to make it look more alien-like. That makes sense. And then I'm going to fill in around my eye. Taking a finer point brush, I'm just going to go in with that same black body paint and really crisp my line and border out my eye. Going in with that same fine point brush, I'm going to create an upper and a lower eyelid kind of thing, and I'm also going to add some wrinkles on my forehead and contour out a very strong cheekbone. Now taking a matte black eyeshadow, I'm just using the James Charles and Morphe palette, really only because it's a rainbow palette. And I'm going to take it on an eyeshadow brush and just start to shade my contour, my wrinkles, and around my eye a little bit. Now taking a light green eyeshadow out of the same palette and just kind of covering the green up with it to create more of a highlighted effect. And I eventually go in with a matte white eyeshadow to highlight a little bit more. Because my eye wasn't as black as I wanted it to be, I'm just going in with that matte black eyeshadow and completely filling it in again. For this effect, you're wanting your entire eye to disappear, so I'm going to go ahead and fill my waterline in with a black eyeliner. And if you wanted to, you could go ahead and put some black mascara on both sides of your eyelashes just to mask them a little bit more. I'm going in with that same fine pointed brush now that our alien is pretty much done, and I'm just going to create a black border. On a small stippling brush, I'm just mixing some red and black body paint, and I'm just going to stipple around the edge to make it kind of look a little bloody, a little nasty, and to cover up if you have any mistakes on your border. To finish out the normal side of our face, I'm just adding a pinky nude liquid lip to my lips, obviously, and I'm gonna also go ahead and add a false eyelash just on that one side. And to finish out the alien, this is probably my favorite part of it, no lie. I'm gonna take a white liquid eyeliner and just create a few like little really light reflection spots in my eye. I also decided I wanted my green to be a little more highlighted, so I'm going in with this pure white highlighter from Wet n Wild's last year's Halloween collection thing, and I'm just going to add it right on the top of my cheekbone. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Yeah, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Also, watch my Black Hat Society sign. What the fuck? Ghost? Air conditioner. We'll never know. Either way, I'll see you guys tomorrow.